Okay, so let's say we have already created a marketing product, and now let's ask how to make your product go viral so that it grabs attention from everyone. And finally, of course, we also need to answer the questions why the product that I offer is better than that of my competitors. So let's get started. ChatGPT can help you create viral headlines. If you don't have any ideas how to make it sounding loudly, then ask ChatGPT, it will help you. Viral headline is an announcement that gains widespread attention, circulation around the internet, and often it goes through social media channels. Viral ads are typically free of charge. They are accessible to anyone with web access and can spread rapidly to a vast number of people. In general, viral headlines are attention-grabbing, sensational, could be even controversial. They can convey a wide range of topics and emotions, from breaking news, celebrity gossip, to political commentary and serious issues. So yes, we will ask ChatGPT how to make your ad go viral. And then later we will also highlight why actually my business is better than the business of my competitors. That's very important because when you start your business, you should also to explore your competitors and see what do they offer. If they offer something better than you, then you need to articulate it somehow. So let's see. Let's go to ChatGPT first. So last time I was launching chemistry school and created a landing page and all related content to it. So let's continue this example. ChatGPT made a name for my school, so now it's named Chemiverse. Suppose now I'm gonna conduct a webinar to the students and parents, explaining why my school is so good and why it's so exciting, amazing, and why should they enroll into my chemistry lessons. I will ask ChatGPT, write 5 examples. No, I'm going to conduct a webinar that calls to enroll as many students as possible to my school. Create 5 examples of viral headlines for this webinar. Okay, let's see. Unlock your chemistry potential. Revolutionize your chemistry. I wouldn't say these headlines are viral. They're just calling to action, yeah, but they're not really viral. I will ask Chat, be more creative. More creative. I want my ad to go really viral, catchy, attention grabbing. Okay, that looks better. Chemistry rebels unite. Ignite your passion in the Chemiverse webinar. Unleash your inner chemist. Dive into the Chemiverse webinar adventure, where chemistry meets creativity. Join the Chemiverse revolution. I can even ask him to use some Jaundiced terms, maybe so to make it so really viral. Make Jaundiced terms for my headlines. Oh, you see, it's challenge the status quo, unravel chemistry's dark corners, snake up the norm in our Chemiverse webinar, unshackle. So this actually sounds really attention-catching, yeah. That looks much better. I can also ask ChatGPT to create a viral text for this headline. Make a viral text for this headline. You see. Okay, so what can I say? You need to keep trying. Yeah, if the headlines don't sound so catchy as you expected, you can just give more tips. Try to be less trivial, more creative. Ask ChatGPT to be less trivial, more creative, and see what happens. Even if ChatGPT doesn't generate the desired response, you can always grab some ideas and then create something unique from it. But it will be much easier with ChatGPT rather than to use just your own imagination. And the last thing that we were going to discuss today is actually why your business is better than that of competitors. When you create landing page, when you advertise your services, your products, you should highlight actually why are you so unique, why the customer should select you and not your competitor. So let me just ask ChatGPT, tell me why Yuri Chemistry School is better than competitors. There you go. So you can go through this list, several compelling reasons, expertise and experience, Personalized approach, it's kind of generic. Everyone will say they have personalized approach. Innovative teaching methods, maybe. Holistic approach, good. Success stories, yes and no, I don't know. Well, yeah, you can always feed more ideas into that. You can, if you don't like something, for example, I don't see it says like Yuri's school teaches chemistry students to speak on public or to defend their chemistry works on public. So I can say, please add that Yuri's school teaches students speak on public and defend their works. Other schools, there you go. So it actually recreated all the headlines. And number 5 is public speaking and presentation skill. Unlike other schools, blah, blah, blah. You see. So ChatGPT is amazing idea generator. And it can make it just in seconds, you know. You don't have to sit just trying to come up with some ideas when you can ask ChatGPT and it will do it in a few seconds or maybe minutes. In 2 minutes you can get the complete text for the advertisements, for example. And that's cool. That's a really cool feature. So try your best and you will definitely get successful.